Iyengar Yoga and Tips. A path to precision and balance. Iyengar Yoga, named after its founder, BKS Iyengar, is a discipline that emphasizes alignment, precision, and props to make yoga accessible for all. Unlike other forms of yoga, Iyengar Yoga encourages a deep understanding of each posture, asana, focusing on the nuances of movement and breath control, pranayama. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, these tips will enhance your practice and help you embrace the transformative power of Iyengar Yoga. What makes Iyengar Yoga unique? Iyengar Yoga is known for focus on alignment. Every pose is practiced with careful attention to the correct form and structure. Use of props, blocks, straps, bolsters, and chairs help practitioners achieve poses safely and effectively. Accessibility. Suitable for all levels, Iyengar Yoga adapts poses to individual needs. Therapeutic benefits. Often used to address physical injuries or conditions, it is a healing practice. 1. Start with the basics. When beginning Iyengar Yoga, it's essential to build a strong foundation. Learn the fundamentals. Focus on mastering basic poses before moving to advanced ones. Take a class. An experienced teacher can guide you in understanding proper alignment and modifications. Be patient. Iyengar Yoga is about depth, not speed. Progress comes with consistent and mindful practice. 2. Make props your best friend. Props are integral to Iyengar Yoga, offering support and enhancing flexibility. Use blocks. Perfect for achieving poses like Trikonasana, triangle pose, when your hands can't reach the floor. Straps for stretching. Helpful in poses like Paschimottanasana, seated forward bend, to extend your reach. Bolsters for comfort. Provide support during restorative poses. Wall as a support. Use walls to stabilize yourself when balancing poses like Adho Mukha Vrk Sasana, handstand. 3. Focus on alignment. Proper alignment ensures you get the most out of each pose while preventing injury. Listen to instructions. Iyengar teachers often give detailed guidance on how to align your body. Check yourself. Use mirrors or get feedback from your teacher to refine your posture. Engage fully. Activate all body parts in every pose, from your feet to your fingertips. 4. Incorporate breath awareness. Breath control, or pranayama, is a vital component of Iyengar Yoga. Breathe naturally. Don't force your breath. Let it flow naturally during poses. Sync breath with movement. In poses like Virabhadrasana warrior pose coordinate your breath with the transitions. Practice seated breathing. Dedicate time to pranayama to calm the mind and improve focus. 5. Practice consistently. Like any yoga style, regular practice is critical to reaping the benefits. Set a schedule. Dedicate a specific time for your practice each day. Start small. Even 20 to 30 minutes of focused practice can make a difference. Combine with other routines. Iyengar Yoga complements other fitness and mindfulness practices. 6. Listen to your body. Iyengar Yoga encourages self-awareness and respect for your limits. Modify when needed. Props and variations allow you to adapt poses to your current abilities. Avoid overexertion. Stay within your comfort zone to prevent strain or injury. Celebrate small wins. Progress in Iyengar Yoga is gradual. Enjoy each milestone. Conclusion. Iyengar Yoga is a transformative practice that combines physical strength, mental focus, and emotional balance. Following these tips can deepen your connection to the practice and experience its full benefits. Whether you seek flexibility, therapeutic relief, or inner peace, Iyengar Yoga provides a structured and mindful approach to achieving your goals.